welcome to the first episode of my how-to videos. This how-to video is going to be how to fly an Air Hog helicopter. It's right here and it has missiles, which doesn't really make a difference. You want to shoot someone, shoot them. It's fun. Well, as you can see, I have a sort of open space with my controller that I'm gonna switch on. Bing! Wait, what? No, there's no green light. There, green. And now for the thing that will be flying around, probably in circles, with the on switch flipping on. It is on, and in the middle, right here. Now, if you want to fly it, at first, put full throttle. Oh, that was scary. Okay, ready? Okay. Hallelujah. Ah, sweet. That was a very bad fail. But if it gets hit, just lose it completely, okay? So yeah, that wasn't my best flight. Let's try again. Ah! What the? Ah, come on! Dang it. I think this should be it now. Darn it! Oh! Off, on. There. Go. Go, darn it! Okay, I'll give you one more chance. And if you don't fly, I seriously am ending the video. Alright. Turning off. Turning off. Turning back on. Putting down. Turning on. Green light. Oh, come on! Are you kidding me? Well, guess what, everyone? This stupid video, or the helicopter does not want to fly because it's stupid. So I hope you have better luck if you have one of these things.